Every moment of a child's life is precious. It is intricately shaped by their family, communities, and the country. International standards ensure that countries protect and provide all children their basic fundamental rights and help them reach their full potential. A safe, healthy childhood is a privilege many children don't experience in India due to poverty. They are pushed into child labor, forced into child marriages, and face other forms of exploitation. Srimati had to involve her children into making bangles. They missed school just to make ends meet. Gangamma saw a young girl being pushed into child marriage by her family. Abhay was trafficked and forcibly made to work at a hotel for months. Child Fund is committed to protecting and empowering vulnerable children. From big cities to hamlets in the farthest corners of the country, we work in homes, schools, communities, and governments to ensure that all children everywhere have a happy and safe childhood full of possibilities.
बाल समिति की मीटिंग हुई थी बच्चों की, उसमें गए तो उसमें जानना सीखा था, तो मैंने बच्चों से चूड़ी का काम करवाना बंद कर दिया.
ఇవమ్మలో వివాహం గురించి తెలిసింది కాబట్టి వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి పోయి వాళ్ళ పెద్దవాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడినాము. వాళ్ళు ఫస్ట్ ఏం మ్యారేజ్ జరగలేదని చెప్పారు. మళ్ళీ అమ్మాయిని పర్సనల్గా అడిగితే లేదు మాకు మ్యారేజ్ జరుగుతూ ఉంది అనేసి అమ్మాయి ఒప్పుకునింది. ఆ అమ్మాయికి వివాహం వల్ల వచ్చే నష్టాలు వాటి గురించి కౌన్సిలింగ్ ఇచ్చాము. ఆ అమ్మాయి ఇక్కడే ఉంటే మ్యారేజ్ చేస్తారనేసి సేఫ్ హోమ్కి పంపించేసి
5-6 महीना के बाद आया. ट्रायल फोन वाला ने कोशिश करके उनको मेरे पास किसी भी कोशिश करके यहाँ पे लाया.
Child Fund's work doesn't end here. We work to empower these children and their communities through various interventions to ensure that they all become change makers so that children have the opportunities to learn, grow, and become who they want to be in safe and encouraging environment. And the change is here for you to see.
भविष्य में गोटे टीचर होगा चाहूँचे गाँव में जो पिला माने अधारू पाठ छाड़ी आमे से केमिति शिक्षित करूँ.
महिला की समिति में लगी हुई तब से मैंने बहुत लोगों को भी परिवार को भी सुधार दिया है.
మా ఊరిలో ఎలాంటి బాల్య వివాహాలు జరిగినా వాటిని ముందుండి ఆఫ్ చేయడం నా జీవిత లక్ష్యం.
और उसके बाद हमारे फैमिली को खुशी हुई और महाराजी भाई सुलझा है.
Since the past 70 years, Child Fund has helped millions of vulnerable children to have the rights and basic needs that they deserve. To reach millions of more such vulnerable children, Child Fund needs your support.